Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by launching PowerShell. Do it now. Open Start, type PowerShell and press Enter. If you plan to change system settings, right-click and Run as administrator. That elevates permissions and prevents access errors. Once open, check your shell version with $PS version table. PS version so you know feature support. Make sure you distinguish Windows PowerShell versus PowerShell Core because module compatibility can differ. If you need the newer cross-platform shell, choose PowerShell Core. Once you have PowerShell open, prepare to run commands and scripts. If a script is blocked, set the execution policy. Set execution policy remote signed. This allows local scripts while protecting against untrusted code. Use get help followed by a cmdlet name and run update help to download docs. Navigate using cd and inspect files with get child item. To run a script in the current folder, prefix with /install ps1. This ensures PowerShell executes the intended file. To finish, save commands you reuse in your profile file so they load each session. Open it with Notepad $profile and add functions or aliases. When done, close PowerShell by typing exit or closing the window. If a script won't run, troubleshoot. Use unblock file on the script, recheck the effective execution policy and its scope with get execution policy list, and make sure administrator rights are used when required. If a cmdlet is missing, import the module with import module and try again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.